Hello, wherever you happen to be. Welcome to Catalonia. I'm Derek Ray, and joining me in the commentary position is the former England defender, Lee Dixon.
Now, here's an opening. He's got away from them. Oh, how important a stop was that? Saved a certain goal, didn't he?
And the keeper exuding confidence. Well, he did his job defensively.
What can they make of this?
And he's put it away beautifully.
That's two for him already.
Yeah, an emphatic finish, no doubt about it.
And space for the cross. Oh, that's an interesting pass.
What a goal.
They've been pushing for it, and now they've been rewarded.
And bang, he goes for the smash. Lovely goal.
Chance maybe. That's a terrific goal.
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace in transition. They were so quick to get out from the back, and he had choices of what type of finish to apply.
Excellent defending following the cross.
What can they make of this?
Inspiration. Scorer of some style here.
And he's broken free.
Got his shot off now. What a goal!
Well, how much stuff does he do on a pitch? It's just endless. 90 minutes isn't time enough to fit all this brilliance in. Well, as we look at this again, the keeper's every right to ask where his back line was.
Well, pass after pass, maybe they can chisel an opportunity. And a chance to level it.
What a goal.
Nothing in it, Derek, is there? Just testing each other out tactically. It's fascinating. Who will buckle first?
What a bizarre own goal here.
Was an important piece of defending. Ball is loose.
What a wonderful volley.
It's a wonderful ability to have, isn't it, to connect so sweetly. It's all about timing that volley.
Never likely to trouble the keeper. Under pressure here. Well, good clean catch by the keeper.
Very static defending. You've got to make a challenge.
Are they going to forge ahead?
That's a terrific goal.
No let-up in the pressing department. Strong play here.
He knows where the goal is, doesn't he? That's two for him already. He's really in the mood.
They're really pressing their opponents. And a no-nonsense clearance. And he whips it in.
Oh, you beauty! What a head, son! What a head!
And under pressure, that was a fine claim. Can they create something from here? No, high-quality defending.
Scorer of some style here.
Opportunity it is. And now he must score. And a goal! That will do it!
Finally, good defense. Lead pass.
Stop it! Stop it! Do not do him like that! What are you doing, Dragons? Did you not get the memo?
He double clutches this. Watch this.
Oh my goodness!
1-0 then. Any sort of lead is important. They have the lead.
Good defending. Oh, that could have been dangerous.
But sometimes those kind of shots do cannon back out off the crossbar. Not this time. What a goal.
And the rebound. Joe Keane. Noah bounce back in.
I like my meatballs spicy!
Oh, he's given the ball away unnecessarily.
What can they make of this?
And a chance to whip it in here.
That's a terrific goal to put them in front.
Space on the flank.
He's recovered well there. Has to make sure that that was his.
Excellent defending.
Chance maybe.
2v1 in the end. He's thinking now, is he going to pass or go round me? He's got no chance.
Well, pass after pass, maybe they can chisel an opportunity. And a goal! And what a significant one!
What a goal.
Just been a thoroughly cogent and convincing performance in this match, Lee.
He knows where the goal is, doesn't he? That's two for him already. He's really in the mood.
And the keeper exuding confidence. Well, he wasn't messing around with the clearance.
Got his shot off now.
That's a terrific goal.
And danger still. Oh, dealt with by the goalkeeper. Well, this man will get most of the plaudits for his contribution. Well, he did his job defensively. It's an excellent-looking attack.
And here's the shot. And he met it perfectly for the goal.
Well, it's one of the great sights in football. A striker meeting a ball on the volley. What a sweet strike it was.
Well, the action continues, but what can he produce from here? Good strength to keep the ball.
Well, he's drilled that hard and low, and it's found its way into the back of the goal.
Applying vigorous pressure. Promising attack, this.
Yeah, an emphatic finish, no doubt about it.
It's the hardest thing to do on a football pitch.
Well, here he goes. It's good to see a player do this.
No shortage of goals in this match. They haven't been at the races this evening. On he goes! Oh! Even by his standards. Breathtakingly brilliant.
Well, tear up the script. What now, Derek? The players look shell-shocked.
And still looking for space.
I do not believe that. That is sensational.
Here it is again. It's a great team passing move to set up the chance. And the thunderous strike to beat the keeper hands down is absolutely brilliant.